You don't need coffee to feel awake all day. I stopped drinking it, and now I have more energy than ever. Here's what I eat from morning to night to stay sharp, focused, and full of power. Most people wake up tired and reach for a big cup of coffee. But what if your food could give you more energy than caffeine, without the crash? In this video, I'll show you exactly what I eat in a day to stay energized, alert, and balanced. No coffee needed. The first 30 minutes, magnesium before anything else. The first thing I do when I wake up is hydrate, but not just with plain water. I drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of sea salt and a packet of magnesium, like magnesium glycinate or citrate. Why? Because magnesium helps calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and start your day without brain fog. Most people are low on magnesium, and that leads to tired muscles, headaches, and poor sleep. When you start your day with it, your whole body feels stronger and calmer. Next, I take a short 10-minute walk outside. This helps my brain wake up naturally. Morning light tells your body to stop making melatonin and start producing energy hormones like cortisol and dopamine, the ones that help you feel motivated and alert. This step is more powerful than any shot of espresso. Then I eat a very simple breakfast. Not heavy, not sugary. I go for a bowl of plain Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics, a spoon of nut butter, and a small handful of blueberries or raspberries. These foods give me steady fuel without spiking my blood sugar. No caffeine, no sugar crash. Just calm, clean power, right from the first hour of the day. Late morning snack, slow fuel, no crash. Around 10:30 a.m., I eat a snack that keeps my energy going strong. I don't grab chips, crackers, or anything with sugar. Those foods make your energy spike fast and then drop hard. Instead, I eat what I call a slow fuel snack. It gives me long-lasting power without making me sleepy or hungry again an hour later. Here's what it looks like. I slice half an avocado and eat it with 2 boiled eggs. Avocados have healthy fats that help your brain stay focused. Eggs give you protein and choline, which help with memory and alertness. This combo is simple, but it gives your body what it really needs to keep working without needing caffeine. Sometimes I'll swap the eggs for a piece of smoked salmon or a few slices of turkey breast. These are still high in protein and very low in sugar. That's the secret. No sugar, no crash. If I'm still a little hungry, I'll have a small handful of walnuts or almonds. Just a few. They have magnesium and omega-3 fats. Both are great for your brain and heart. And I always drink water with my snack. No juice, no energy drinks. Just clean water to help my body digest and stay hydrated. This late morning snack gives me clear thinking and steady energy until lunchtime, without needing coffee or feeling tired. Lunchtime, the power plate. At 1 p.m., it's time for lunch. I don't eat fast food or drink soda. Instead, I make a plate that has everything my body needs to stay strong, alert, and full of energy for the rest of the day. Here's what's on my plate. First, I have a big portion of vegetables, like broccoli, spinach, carrots, or zucchini. These are full of vitamins, fiber, and water. Fiber helps your stomach stay happy and keeps your blood sugar steady, so you don't feel sleepy after eating. Next, I add a clean protein. This is usually grilled chicken, tofu, or lentils. Protein helps build muscle and gives your body fuel that lasts. Unlike sugar, it doesn't wear off quickly. It keeps you full and focused. Then, I include a slow carb, like a small serving of brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potato. These carbs break down slowly in your body, giving you steady energy without crashing later. To make it even better, I add a bit of healthy fat, like a spoon of olive oil, a few avocado slices, or some nuts sprinkled on top. Fats help your brain work better and make your meal more filling. I also drink a glass of water with lemon. Lemon water wakes up your digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients better. This kind of lunch doesn't make me tired. It makes me feel full, focused, and ready to work without needing coffee or snacks. Afternoon recharge, no caffeine needed. Most people get tired around 3 p.m. That's when they reach for a coffee or energy drink. But I don't need caffeine. Instead, I use simple habits that really work. First, I drink a small cup of herbal tea, like peppermint, ginger, or rooibos. These teas have 0 caffeine but help wake up my body and calm my brain. Peppermint is especially good if you feel a little sleepy or heavy. It clears your head without making you jittery like coffee does. Then I have a quick energy snack. I don't go for candy or chips. I grab a handful of almonds, walnuts, or a small square of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. These snacks have healthy fats, a little natural sugar, and magnesium, which helps your muscles and brain feel more awake. Next, I take a 10-minute walk outside. This is one of the most powerful energy boosters. Walking in daylight, even just in your backyard or around your block, resets your body clock and helps your brain release chemicals that make you feel good. If it's cloudy or you're indoors, standing by a window and stretching for 5 minutes can still help. Sometimes I also do deep breathing for 3 to 5 minutes. Just close your eyes. Breathe in slowly, hold it, and breathe out. This brings more oxygen to your brain and helps clear mental fog. With these small actions, I feel fully recharged. No caffeine, no crash, just clean, natural energy. My dinner, sleep-friendly, energy-boosting. Dinner is the last meal of the day, and it's super important if you want to wake up fresh and full of energy. But here's a trick. The goal isn't to eat for energy right now. It's to help your body rest, heal, and store energy for tomorrow. So I keep my dinner light, but full of good stuff. I always start with a big plate of steamed or roasted veggies, like broccoli, carrots, spinach, or sweet potatoes. These are packed with fiber, vitamins, and slow carbs that help your body relax and recover while you sleep. Then I add some light protein like grilled salmon, boiled eggs, or lentils. These give me amino acids, building blocks that help repair muscles and boost brain function. Salmon also has omega-3s, which are great for sleep and mood. I don't eat anything super spicy, heavy, or fried. That stuff makes it harder for your body to wind down at night. I also avoid sugar and desserts after dinner, because they spike your blood sugar and make it harder to fall asleep. One more trick? I try to eat dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. This gives my body time to digest and get into sleep mode naturally. If I'm still hungry later, I'll have a small banana or a spoon of nut butter. Both help with sleep. That's it. No big feast, no snacks all night. Just a simple, balanced meal that helps me rest and recharge for the next day. What I drink instead of coffee. Most people think you need coffee to have energy, but I don't drink coffee at all. No espresso, no latte, nothing. And guess what? I still have better energy than most people who drink 2 cups a day. So what do I drink instead? First thing in the morning, I drink a full glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. This combo gives me natural electrolytes, wakes up my organs, and replaces water lost overnight. It's way more refreshing than coffee. After that, I make matcha tea. It has a tiny bit of caffeine, but it gives steady energy without a crash. Matcha also has L-theanine, which helps you focus and stay calm at the same time. So it keeps me alert without making me shaky or anxious. Sometimes I also drink herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, or chamomile during the day. These don't give you energy like caffeine, but they support digestion and reduce stress, which keeps your energy balanced. And throughout the day, I always keep sipping plain water, at least 8 to 10 glasses. Most people feel tired because they're just dehydrated, not because they need coffee. If I want a boost, I might mix in coconut water or a greens powder that's full of magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. So no, I don't need coffee. I just fuel my body the right way, with smart drinks that hydrate and nourish instead of tricking my brain. The secret to all-day energy starts the night before. If you want energy all day, you must sleep well at night. No food, no drink. No workout can fix bad sleep. Sleep is when your body recharges, cleans up waste, and builds energy for tomorrow. Here's how I sleep better without pills or fancy gadgets. First, I stop eating at least 3 hours before bed. When you sleep with a full stomach, your body works on digestion instead of resting. That makes you wake up tired. Eating earlier gives my body time to calm down. Second, I avoid screens, phones, laptops, TV 1 hour before bed. Screens give off blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That stops your body from making melatonin, the sleep hormone. I switch to warm lights and read a book instead. Third, I keep my room cold, dark, and quiet. Studies show the best sleep happens at 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. I also use blackout curtains and white noise to block sound and light. Fourth, I go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. That trains my body to fall asleep faster and wake up with more energy. No alarm needed. Lastly, I track my sleep. If I feel tired the next day, I look at what I did wrong. Late meals, too much screen time, or stress. Then I fix it. The truth is simple. If your sleep is bad, your energy will be bad, no matter what you eat or drink. Start fixing it tonight. Your brain uses the most energy. Feed it right. Most people think muscles use the most energy, but that's not true. Your brain is the real energy hog. Even when you're sitting still, your brain uses around 20% of your body's total energy. That means if you eat junk food, your brain runs on junk. If you eat smart, your brain thinks better, feels better, and stays sharp. So here's what I eat to help my brain stay strong and full of energy. 1. Oats in the morning. Whole oats are packed with slow-burning carbs. That means my brain gets energy slowly and steadily, not all at once like sugar. No crash, no brain fog. 2. Eggs. One egg has a nutrient called choline. Your brain uses choline to make memory-boosting chemicals. Eggs also have protein to keep you full. 3. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. They give your brain healthy fats called omega-3s, which help your brain cells talk to each other better. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants. That means they protect your brain from damage and keep it working longer. 5. Water. Your brain is about 75% water. If you don't drink enough, you get tired, slow, and forgetful. I aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, more if I sweat. If you want more energy, don't just feed your muscles. Feed your brain. Treat it like the control center it is, and it will reward you with focus, power, and all-day drive. Taking care of your energy means taking care of your brain, body, and habits. Try adding just one tip from this list to your day. You'll feel the difference fast. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend.